All right, this is the Tetra Whisper10 air pump, and basically this air pump is a super quiet air pump that, you know, if you guys are looking for an air pump that doesn't really make much noise, or you can have it in an office or a place where it needs to be really quiet, this is the air pump for you. Now, in the box, this the air pump comes fully assembled. It comes in the color blue, and it also comes with a 5-foot power wire. And it also comes with a little nozzle on the inside of it so that it can split one connection in two. And it also comes with the manual, which is in multiple languages, including English and Spanish. It tells you about safety instructions, things that you should follow before setting it up. And now, basically, this air pump is special because of its design. Now, it consists of a dome shape with, on the interior, it's actually a almost zero physical contact type of pump, where it has 4 rubber feet, and on the interior, the electrical parts that actually make it work exhibit almost zero contact with each other. That adds to its noise isolation properties. Now, when you're using this pump is really designed for a tank of 10 gallons, but in this example, I'm going to be using it with my 35-gallon shell dweller aquarium that I talked about in my recent video. Now, what you're going to do with this pump, if it's in setting it up, it's very, very simple to set it up. All you have to do is connect it to an air stone or a means of an air hose. And basically, you know, you just attach that intake to that air hose, and it will work. It's about, I would say about a 1/4 of an inch in diameter you need, and plug it in and it should work. Now, basically, this air pump is used for, if you guys don't know what an air pump is for, in an aquarium, an air pump is basically for getting oxygen to your water so that your fish can have air in the water to breathe. As we know, everything that's living organism, they all need oxygen to breathe, and your fish do as well. And if your aquarium filter is not enough, then you need an air pump to supplement their oxygen. So basically, if you're in the market for an air pump that's affordable, very, very quiet and easy to set up, this is the air pump for you. And now this air pump comes in many sizes, not just 10-gallon version, also this is the smallest one, but it comes in size 20, 40, 50, and also 100 if you're looking for expansion. And basically, there's even, you know, Tetra has multiple products surrounding this, and so you should look into them if you're ever interested in the future. So that's really all it is for this video, and I have more product reviews coming in the future, so like, share, subscribe if you like what you see, and let me know in the comments if there's anything that you would want me to review. And until next time, happy fish keeping.